Hello, my prepper posse. Oh, it's after 9 o'clock. We just called it quits for the day. I mean, no rain, nothing but that Saharan desert heat that's coming off of Africa. Oh my gosh, just burning today. So, yeah. As you can see, everything that's got a tie wrap on it is done. We finished all of them. All I have left is the little kitchen, and we're going to do that. But tomorrow we're going to work on the bus. We're going to go through it and make sure everything's functioning, da-da-da-da-da. Yeah. So, I'm so filthy right now that I'm taking the shower outside of the bus here, and I'm going to run it over here, and I'll shower behind this. Because I don't even want to get the bus dirty, as filthy as I am. It's disgusting. Yeah, but we did it. We got a load this morning out to the, yeah, see how tired I am? I'm exhausted. Alright, the flea market. So, we got a load done there. So all of that's out. That's gone. I'm going through what wood I have left, my wood pile. I'll go through that, and that's everything that I want to keep. And see what I can build by tomorrow to finish up in the bus. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So anyway, yeah, tomorrow morning we'll get the freezer in, and we'll get the stove in, and the generator on top of the deck out here. So anyway, keeping you posted, this is what's going on. And then we'll try to get some laundry done. But anyway, I got a truck for Sunday. So I'll try to do a video, but just know that Monday, when we take off out of here, we'll be in the bus, and I'll do a video and show you, how we're leaving the property. Yeah, and I've got to be able to back out of here. Yeah. We'll do it. We keep looking at each other going, man, I can't believe we did this, but we did. Yep. Alright, well, I hope everybody else is having a great evening. Everybody play and party for me, because we've got to get this done right now. Enjoy your night. And again, don't forget to play. I'm going to take a shower. See you.